Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome you all to learn Chinese language with Chinese language made easy. I am Muhammad Shahid and today we will learn a word and then after that we will make a sentence using that word. So the word first I will write the word in front of you. The word is 求婚, 求婚, 求婚. 求婚 means to propose. To propose, okay? 求婚 means to propose. शादी की पेशकश करना. शादी का पैगाम देना. 求婚 to propose someone. So I will just split this word into different components. This one right here means that marriage or wedding, and ये शादी के लिए, हुन शादी, marriage, and this right here, 求 means to beg or to request, okay? So I mean it means that to beg का एक मतलब है भीख मांगना, लेकिन एक मतलब है इल्तिजा करना या मिन्नत समाजत करना. Okay, so you can see if we split this word into two components, one of the component is 求. This one 求, it means to beg or to request, and huan means marriage, shadi. So when we use this in combination, it means 求婚 means to propose someone for marriage. शादी की पेशकश करना, शादी की तजवीज़ देना या शादी का पैगाम देना या भिजवाना, इसको 求婚 कहते हैं. Now we will make a sentence using this word, so just note it after this. So the sentence is 他向我求换了，他向我求婚了，他向我求婚了。She asked me to marry her. or she proposed to me. She proposed to me. उसने मुझे शादी की पेशकश की. She asked me to marry her. So 她向我求婚了. She asked me to marry her. She proposed to me. उसने यानी उस औरत ने. This is she. वो औरत. So उस औरत ने यहाँ पर उस औरत ने मुझे. 她向 Xiang means this. Xiang means towards. Okay. So के जानिब towards. उसने मुझे शादी की पेशकश की. Okay. उसने मुझे शादी की पेशकश की. So 她向我求婚了. उसने मुझे शादी की पेशकश की. This is how we write it. Or she proposed to me. So this was all for today. I hope you would have enjoyed this lecture. If you do like our video lectures, don't forget to subscribe if you are new on the channel. We will meet each other in next interesting lecture. Until then, see you. 再见.